Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2010 Honda GL 1800 Goldwing. This is the navigation version with comfort, heated seats and grips, AM/FM stereo, navigation, beautiful titanium metallic paint scheme. It also has the rear light bar on the trunk. Only 39,000 miles on this beautiful 2010 GL18 HPNM. Come by, make your touring bikes come true for just $10,999. We're way under book on this bike. It's not going to be here long. 2 brand new tires, fully serviced. Come by, check it out. Make your touring bike dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.